We're on our walk right now to our first day on the field trip, and we're getting picked up at Mermaid's Beach.
It's so beautiful. Whoa, what are those little mounds in the water?
And this was the meeting spot. We're the first ones here. And we're super excited.
Yeah, you're stoked.
Oh
yeah. What?
Always.
Yeah, we heard you talking smack. We were in the dark at breakfast.
Hey vlog, so everything was going amazing today until I stepped out, and I always look really glamorous, and Thomas.
Guess who did it first?
Thomas decided to put on this green outfit.
Did it first?
And it's just like I feel bad for him because it's just a worse version of me.
But like, who did it better? Fit check. What is it? What is it? Shut up. Where? So shallow.
Oh, Joanne mentioned to me they have spotted a rat here. Some rats on this moto, which is supposed to be rat free. So if you see a rat crawling,
Machete.
yeah, well, no, I have a machete.
If you lend me the machete, I can kill it if I see it.
The tide was high, the tide was low. Some nights I was lonely, some nights I was alone. The seasons say pass by, and still I fight for leaving just a dirty, dirty life. It on the earth full day. Lord, it was the same, same.
This is the fern. The fern has a prong, it's dissected directly.
Oh my god, there's 2 crabs in here. That is pretty big.
Distribution.
It's already growing.
So are we just gonna say that these are all?
Okay,
I'm gonna
so
say
right now
17
we're
Pisonia
going
for this
down
one.
this whole line. It's from north to south, and we're measuring in each meter the types of plants that we find. And the main one we're counting are these, which are red bananas, and then the other ones we're looking at are Pisonias, which are these. We're not sure. We're struggling with that. Johnny!
I think we should just say that all those things are all
yeah,
Pisonia.
and this is the team. Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Hi, Haurani from UBF.
Okay. Nique?
Was
Okay.
I'm Radha. I'm Emily.
Oh. Guys, where's your station? Marco?
I honestly don't know if the colors like.
Group collab. Group collab.
It does definitely.
Here we have a coconut crab in its natural habitat, going for coconut.
No.
Not friendly.
Thank you for the clarification.
Loving the way that you be looking tonight, girl, you keeping it fly.
Okay guys, so I like to practice with the machete sometimes because if I encounter like when I need to build a shelter, when I need to cut coconuts. I need to make sure that my strikes are strong and concise. Come this way. This motu is called Ahuroa.
What's the fruit?
Will you say something to the camera?
I'm happy.
Yeah, you are.
I'm in my lab.
This is Johnny's lab and we're all working for him right now. Here in Ahuroa, we're seeing a rat trap because there's a big rat eradication going on right now in Tetiaroa. But this motu is supposed to be ratless, but there's recently been some sightings of rats, which is no good because once you have, even if you leave like 2 rats, they will have babies possibly, and then the problem will start all over. We are halfway done, over halfway actually. We started over there, came here, going that way. But it's getting really hot, running out of water, and lunchtime soon. I'm the note taker for this one.
5.
Cliff Bar break here with Rada.
Oh, hi.
And right now, small break.
Oh, yeah, we don't have a 4th one anymore.
It's been a big break for me.
What can you tell us about this? We have 5.
I'm trying to find the skull, but the issue with coconut crabs is that what they'll do is they'll kind of peel off parts of the bird, which is really gross. But that means that we're not seeing the entire bird.
Like an artichoke?
Sort of like an artichoke, yes. So we're not seeing the entire bird, but I can see that it did a really good job cleaning off all the flesh, like objectively. Like this was probably 1 crab.
That's how I like to eat my birds too. So when going on a pee break, you just need to find the prettiest spot where no one can see you. And I pick this.
Our 6, right?
Section 1 done.
Hey guys, we need our 6.
Oh, I forgot. Adventure for section 2. Lunch break. Yay. You guys do not seem excited anymore. What's going on?
Oh no, we're so tired.
I'm just, tired as well. I'm not tired at all.
There's lots of ants.
History being made. Horani being the first person ever to ring a vape onto Ahuroa. Do a trick. Oh. This is today's classroom, and this is our professor Jayna. Is that a good lecture right now?
Off the top. So basically,
you have all these animals living in the circle, and they got it, and it's like biting.
Okay, there's no flash, but we gotta hold on.
We are at the brink at the area spot in Tetiaroa Island, guys. We weren't really invited about it, but we don't care. Like, we're just here. Oh my god, who cares?
Can we say something to the camera?
So we just danced our asses off.
11 o'clock. The night is cigarettes time.
Yeah, break, dance break.
Tea time. Everything. So
And what?
thank you so much, guys. Love you guys.
Plan for the night. Plan for the night. It's 11:06
Dance our
right now.
fucking heart outs.
Stay awake until moonrise. Apparently 3 a.m. Oh
my god, shit.
3 a.m. moonrise.
Drop the mic.
We're on the beach watching the moon rise.
Where are we?
We're in Tetiaroa. It's so beautiful.
Orani, turn the flashlight to you and say something to my video.
It was amazing. Oh my god. Marlo Brando's grandson. Oh my god.
I didn't know he was there even. Was he actually there?
So to end this perfect day, potentially the best day of my life.
Stop.
I think so. We are gonna go swim, and we're really excited. Okay, Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.